viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia again, back again with another exciting video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, like if today is the first time you've seen my face or you've been seeing my face and you've not yet subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video. So guys, today's video is gonna be different. Actually, I was going to live stream, then I decided, all right, let me just make this a regular upload. So that's why I decided to bring this video to you guys, to actually talk with you guys on this video. So I and a friend of mine are looking forward into investing on a treadmill, and we don't really know a very good treadmill out there because there are a lot of treadmill out there, but we don't really know which one is best and user friendly, is student friendly, it's actually like affordable, and that will actually last well. Because we did watch some few videos, I did a lot of research, I saw a lot of people commenting on some that I saw online saying this is good, this treadmill is good, and then another bad review. So I was like, anyways, let me just make this video to actually ask you guys what good treadmill are out there that we could invest our money in. You don't want to pay, like, you don't want to invest some money and just get something really good for ourselves that could last long. Treadmill, they are not cheap, they're quite expensive, so it's not something that you want to just buy today and then you're looking forward to like throw it off tomorrow, or you're looking forward to exchange already. So that's not it. Anyways, for those that don't know what a treadmill is, I'm just gonna insert a photo. I guess you already saw it from the thumbnail what it is. So basically it is made for runners, for joggers. You can keep it on your own just for running, for jogging, or any kind of sport you like it for, or you could go to the gym to use one out there. But not everyone has the time to be going to the gym regularly to use the treadmill in the gym. So that's why we decided to invest on our own, to get one for ourselves that we can be using at home. So if any one of you know any good UK treadmill that we could get, that we could invest our money in to actually get in the house and then to use, so that's what we're looking forward to. Anyways, we're also able to find some good ones online. We're able to find some good treadmill out there. So that's why I decided to title this video, what are the best treadmill in the UK for home use out there. So we did went on Amazon, we did a little bit of research to see which one is good that we could invest our money in. So and we're able to like find some nice ones. I'm gonna just list the 3 that we actually find that we decided we could invest our money on this one. So I'm gonna list them out there. Let me quickly say this video was not sponsored. Nobody actually asked me to make this video. I'm just making it for reasons which I already said, because we want to invest our money in a good treadmill which we can put in our hearts and just be using for our personal use. So that's why we're actually making this video. I did search up Amazon, I find some really good ones which I'm gonna be listing from now on, and I want you guys to see for yourself and help us decide which one is really good that we could get. Or if you know any good treadmill out there that you yourself you've used or you could recommend, people could like invest their money in or buy for themselves for home use, make sure you leave it in the comment section so we can know, because they are quite expensive. So the one that is kind of friendly, user friendly, and for student, you don't have to spend that much. It's not like we're buying into the gym, it's just something for the hours. So let us know in the comment section. Anyways, I'm just going to show you guys the 3 that we actually found on Amazon that we would like to share with you guys on this video. So guys, when I actually went on Amazon to search up good treadmill that is affordable that you could actually use in the house, so I actually did a search up for treadmills for homes, and then I actually went to the fitter. I wanted to like fitter it to what I want. I actually went for the one from 4 stars and above, because these things they're not cheap, so you don't want to just waste your money and then you open and just want to return it. I don't really like returning stuff, so I prefer immediately I buy that thing, I know it's gonna be good to use and just keep being with me. So I hate having to package stuff again and just return it. It's not my thing. So that's why I'm looking for a good treadmill which I could actually invest my money in and just get it for once and for all, not having to return it then looking to invest money on something else again. I don't want that. So the first one I actually saw there was from the brand Durabe. So it actually have 4.3 stars out of 5 as usual, and actually have 28 global rating. So some of the ratings I saw, they said it's easy to fold, which is really good because, you know, I don't want it to be like taking space. I want something you can fold, and then it's easy to assemble. So it's got about 4.5 stars there. And then actually for working out, 4.5 star, which means it is good. And then some of the reviews there says I would recommend it to buy. That was a review from the UK. Another review from the UK said excellent machine. I love this treadmill, very pleased with it. When I ordered it, it said delivery in 3 days, arrive in 2 days. So, you know, there's so many good reviews on this particular treadmill. And then I also discovered that it actually have 1 year warranty, which I hope it was more than that, but you know, it is what it is. A year warranty. So, and some things about the treadmill, it says actually electric foldable treadmill, which I've talked about. It has strong power, it's safety, multifunctional, and then save trouble. So I think that's something good. You know, I actually went down to the review. There are some people actually also said it was not, you know, it wasn't good for them. So that's why I'm like, okay, let's move forward and see another one. But the price is quite okay, £300. For me, that's actually okay. And then the next one we actually saw was Depress 2-in-1 folding treadmill. So this one actually is $399.99, which is basically £400. Quite expensive for an home treadmill, but I actually saw the stars on this one actually are 4.8 out of 5 stars, which is amazing, you know. And people actually said this is absolutely stunning device, very easy to store and a great purchase. You know, the reviews on this one was really, you know, really good. I think a lot of people love this particular one. So a lot of people did say this one was very good, guys. So I actually found this one so nice. And then I went to read some few things about the treadmill. The features says 2-in-1 dual mode foldable treadmill. Again, this one is foldable. It's quite powerful, and it is built-in Bluetooth speaker and remote control, which is actually amazing. I actually love those type of treadmill that could actually play music, or you could actually install your Netflix on it. So treadmills like that, they are really, really nice, and they're quite expensive. But if this one could do something at least close to that, which is good. And then they say compact design, easy to move. You know, this one quite have more features compared to the first one. Probably that's why it's more expensive. And though it's got a lot of rating, I mean more rating compared to the first one, which I was talking about. So the last treadmill that I actually added to my list that, you know, I could invest something on was from City Sport, and this one actually has good rating, guys. And I saw a lot of videos. I was like, ooh, I kind of like this, though it's quite the cheapest on my list, but it actually has the best reviews. You know, sometimes it's not always about the most expensive thing. Sometimes it's not about how much it is, it's about quality. You know, some things may be cheap, but they've got good quality too, you know. So it's not always about the price. And this one had 4.8 out of 5 ratings. So I was like, okay. And there was so many nice reviews about this one. People say it is good, it is brilliant. So one of the reviews said it is a brilliant treadmill which is portable, lightweight, and can be easily stored after use. I love something like that. I don't want it to be taking all the space in my house, you know what I mean. So I love stuff like that. So some of the features say it is multi-speed plus LCD screen, Bluetooth integrated speakers, man's security, lubrication sign, portable plus slim plus silent. So you know, this is good. So guys, these are the treadmill that I have put on my list, but I need to choose just one. I need to invest in one. So I saw these things from Amazon and the reviews are nice. So, and they are like good for your house, they are home friendly, and they are quite affordable. So from all I have said on this and from what you've seen on this video, which one would you recommend that I get? Or if you don't like any of the ones I've said, if you have a good one or you know a good brand, please leave it on the comment section because I want to know, guys. I really want to know. Anyways, thank you. So guys, that actually completes this video. If you enjoyed this video, you like this, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you stay safe. I love you all. Bye.